I don't know what some of you are talking about. Oh, I hate the summer. Oh, it's so hot where I live. Oh, the humidity is terrible. Oh, hey, look, let me tell you something. I'll trade with you any day. Winter sucks. Snow sucks. This is a rant, folks. This is incredible. Unsafe blizzard conditions. I don't even know if I can get the hell out of here. We're going to gun it. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I am stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Continued later. This is unreal. This is absolutely unreal. Look at this. You can't see a hand in front of your face. Some of you people out there amaze me. Look at this. I can't even see this oncoming traffic. Yeah, I know it's dangerous driving and recording. What do you want from me? I'm trying to make a point here. You know, I get really sick and tired of people saying, oh, you know, it's so hot where I live. It's so sticky. The humidity. Oh, I can't stand it, huh? Oh, I wish it was cold. I wish there was some snow. Believe me, you don't want snow. Look at this. Blinding. Sometimes you can't even see a hand in front of your face. This is a disgusting blizzard. I just got stuck in the snowdrift. So sick and tired of this crap. In the good old summertime. In the good old summertime. This sucks. I'm lucky this road here is plowed. Most of them are not. And believe me, if you're asking why I'm out in this mess, I wouldn't be, except that I had to work today. Nobody on the roads except for me, practically. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Winter's so nice. Winter's so good. We don't like... Who likes this? So look at this. I'm supposed to make a turn here. I can't even make a turn here because it's fucking piled up. So much for that turn. It ain't happening. This is a disgrace. This guy turned around. Why? Oh, my God. Somebody stuck over there. I don't know what you people are talking about. You people, you got my buddy Matthew Smith. And, oh, I can't stand in Texas. We got all that heat and all those bugs and everything. Hey, look, give me some of them bugs right now. It's freezing. I'm freezing my onions off over here. Safety hazard like you wouldn't believe. Unreal. Now, I wasn't able to make my turn where I wanted to before because all the snow drifting is blocking that entrance. Let's see what happens in the next one. Screw winter. Am I going to be able to turn here? I'm gunning it. I'm gunning it. Let me tell you something, folks. I'm telling you, I've driven through many blizzards in my life. I have never seen anything like this. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's been snowing since midnight last night. I honestly don't know if I'm going to be able to get down all the streets that I need to get down. I'm going to put the phone down now. It's too hazardous. Later. Oh, I can't stand the summer. It's so hot and humid. You winter lovers like the snow? You can have it.